Have you ever wondered where many importers import iPhones, laptops, gaming consoles, and other electronics in China without using an agent at a very affordable prices? Yes. What if I tell you that there is an app in China where many suppliers sell both new and used phones on this app at a very affordable price? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On this channel we talk about importation business and how you can also start and grow your own business. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account on this app and also how you can import phones on this app. If you are new here, you want to start your own importation journey, or you want to learn how you can build a business, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on this video. My name is Saidi Saudekaba and this is Business with SK. Let's get right to the video. So now head on to your Play Store, App Store and download the app. When you are done downloading, click on open and it will take you to where the app is. Is the interface of the app. I don't know how to pronounce the name of this app, so pardon me, but I'll write the name down here. As I said earlier, this app is mostly for people who wants to start their gadget importation for phones, laptops, PS and other products. Not only phones but other products are included. So right now we are going to create an account on this app successfully, step by step. Click on the Me icon where the arrow is pointing at. You then select the blue icon, that's the Alipay symbol at the top, and click on where the arrow is pointing. You can also sign up with your Taobao account or WeChat account. But in this video, I know most people use Alipay, so we'll be using Alipay to sign up on this platform. After selecting the Alipay symbol, it will direct you to the Alipay app for you to confirm your details. So when you get to this point, you see where the arrow is pointing, click on it. And please make sure that when you are doing this process, you have your passport behind you. When you get to this point, make sure you select passport for international people or foreign people. Click on where the arrow is pointing at. With here, we are going to upload our passport, whether you take a picture directly from here or you upload it directly from your gallery. Let's wait for my passport to load from here. Now click on where the arrow is pointing and click on the yellow button. From here, we are going to wait for them to review our document for us, whether it's legit or not. Normally like this, it can take like 5 to 10 minutes for them to finish with the review. When they are done with the review, they will send us a confirmation that they are done with the review. And voila, here is our confirmation. This shows that they've approved our identity document we uploaded. After the confirmation of our review, we'll go back to our home page, then close the app. When we close the app, we'll go back and open it again. We want everything to refresh for us. Now, as we open the app again, this pop-up will show. So from here, we'll click on Alipay and where the arrow is pointing at. Now click on where the yellow button is. After clicking on it, it will send you again to Alipay for you to this time around enter your Alipay password. After entering your Alipay password, it will send you back to your gadget importation app. Right now, we are done creating an account on this platform. What we are going to do next is we are going to fill in our details, especially our name and other information. Click on where the arrow is pointing to edit your username. Any username you want, you can just type it there. For me, I'll be using this name, CC. You then save your name and go back to refresh your page. So now this is our nickname, or let me say our username for this app. Right now we are going to see whether our Alipay is really bounded on this app. Now click on settings. For me, I know my way around already, so click on payment settings where we will be setting our password. When you are done setting your password, we then go back and check whether Alipay is bound to this app. So this shows that our Alipay has been binded with this app. We can go ahead and make payments, place our orders, and source for other products. So guys, this is all for today's video. If this video really helped you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment on this video. In our next video, we will show you how you can source good phones on this app. Let me know in the comment section if you'd like me to do another video. So this is how to create a Xianyu account on this app. Yes, in our next video, I'm going to show you how you can source for quality phones, laptops, and other electrical gadgets on this app. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. My name is Xianyu Saudekaba, and this is Business with SK. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.